Hey kids, let's meet some amazing dinosaurs today. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex was one of the biggest meat-eating dinosaurs. It had strong legs and sharp teeth to chase and catch its food. Velociraptor. Velociraptor was a small but very fast dinosaur. It had sharp claws and worked in groups to hunt. Allosaurus. Allosaurus was a powerful predator with a big, strong jaw. It roamed the lands long before the T-Rex appeared. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus was one of the largest carnivores, even bigger than T-Rex. It had a tall sail on its back and was great at swimming. Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus was a fast-running dinosaur with two small horns on its head. It had very tiny arms, even smaller than the T-Rex. Megalosaurus. Megalosaurus was one of the first dinosaurs ever discovered by scientists. It was a strong predator with sharp teeth for tearing meat. Dilophosaurus. Dilophosaurus had two thin crests on top of its head. It was a quick and light hunter that moved gracefully. Ouranosaurus. Ouranosaurus had a tall sail-like back that may have helped control its body temperature. It was a plant-eating dinosaur that lived near rivers. Therizinosaurus. Therizinosaurus had very long claws, some of the longest of any dinosaur. Even with those scary claws, it mostly ate plants. Troodon. Troodon was a small dinosaur with a big brain. It had sharp eyes and was one of the smartest dinosaurs known. Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus was a huge, long-necked dinosaur that ate leaves from tall trees. It used its long tail to help keep balance as it walked. Chasmosaurus. Chasmosaurus had a big frill on its head with large openings. It used its horn and frill to scare away predators. Amargasaurus. Amargasaurus had two rows of long spines running down its neck. These spines may have helped protect it from enemies. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus had large flat plates along its back. It used its spiky tail to defend itself from attackers. Plateosaurus. Plateosaurus was one of the earliest large plant-eating dinosaurs. It had a long neck to reach leaves and strong legs for walking long distances. Nodosaurus. Nodosaurus was an armored dinosaur covered in bony plates. It protected itself by staying low and using its tough body armor. Triceratops. Triceratops had three strong horns on its face. It used its horn to protect itself from predators like the T-Rex. Heterodontosaurus. Heterodontosaurus had different kinds of teeth for eating many types of plants. It was small and fast, making it hard for predators to catch. Dryosaurus. Dryosaurus was a quick, light dinosaur that lived in forest. It had big eyes that helped it see danger early. Iguanodon. Iguanodon had a special thumb spike for protection. It was a gentle plant eater that traveled in large groups. Protoceratops. Protoceratops was a small dinosaur with a short frill on its head. It lived in sandy deserts and protected its eggs carefully. Sinosauropteryx. Sinosauropteryx was one of the first dinosaurs found with feather-like covering. It had a long striped tail that helped it balance. Torosaurus. Torosaurus had one of the largest frills of any dinosaur. It was a peaceful plant eater that lived in herds. Oviraptor. Oviraptor was a small dinosaur with a beak-like mouth. Its name means egg thief, but it likely protected its own eggs. Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus had a very long neck and stood taller than most dinosaurs. It could reach leaves high in the trees that other dinosaurs could not. Diplodocus. Diplodocus had a long, whip-like tail that could make loud sounds. It was one of the longest dinosaurs ever discovered. Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus was a huge dinosaur with a strong, heavy body. It used its long neck to reach plants growing high and low. Camarasaurus. Camarasaurus had a shorter, sturdier neck than other long-necked dinosaurs. It ate tough leaves using its strong spoon-shaped teeth. Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus was covered in thick armor plates to stay safe. It had a heavy club tail that it used to defend itself. Euoplocephalus. Euoplocephalus was a heavily armored dinosaur with spikes along its body. It also had a strong tail club to protect itself from predators. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.